Jesson, on your wedding day, I'm overcome with so many happy emotions: love, gratitude, excitement, and joy. I know my son has found a perfect woman to be his wife.
Heart beats fast, colors and prom.
Jish, thank you for making my son so happy. You bring out the best qualities in him and make him want to be a best person that he could be.
But watching you stand alone.
Love is truly the greatest gift of all. When you have it, treasure it. Treasure it always and never let it go.
One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you.
Jish is one of the most caring, thoughtful people we have ever met. And the length she would go through for any of us is unmatched.
Even though you try to act like the oldest of us, we've been so lucky to have you as our little sister. You truly are the glue that holds this trio together.
Jesson is my first brother. He's always been there for me, and he will do anything for you. Prince and Jesson, used to be the most dynamic duo, but the newest dynamic duo, Jesson and Gisha.
There is something more beautiful than a young couple holding their hands in love. It is an old man and an old woman finishing their life's journey together on that path. Their hearts and their bodies may be physically bowed and physically tired, but still strong with love and a devotion for one another. And that is a more beautiful thing than young love, old love, because that's what the journey is taking us to.
One step closer.
Gisha, we are so proud of you, of all you have accomplished, and we are grateful to share yet another milestone of your life.
I've died every day waiting for you, darling.
We are excited for you two to start your journey together as a married couple. The only advice I have is to pray together and be good to each other. We wish you both joy and happiness.
All along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000.
I, Jesson, take you, Gisha, to be my wife.
I, Gisha, take you, Jesson, to be my husband.
I promise to be true to you
In good times and in bad.
in sickness and in health
I will love you and honor you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.
It is my pleasure to certainly present to you for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Jesson and Gisha Thomas.